Hello everyone, I have an update for the Superpro 7000 EX to GX converter adapter, or adapter converter. Right here. This is the first one. These are donor connectors. I was able to find a company that would make me some replacements. Here we are. You cannot get these from Opine. These are from another manufacturer. These are the samples I ordered. They look pretty good. The new ones are a little tighter than these ones, but these ones have been used, so I'm not sure what force a factory new connector is, but they're pretty close. They're not exact, but they're close enough to where they work. So I'm going to put this one back in the tube. Cotty the supervisor over here watching me. So that's an EX001. This is the GX001. You can still get the GX adapters. You can't get the EX adapters. There's a lot of these programmers out there. So we're going to put this on right here. Now, to make this look better, I have a ring. Where did I put that at? Right there. Not that one. This one right here. It will bolt on and give it kind of a finished look. So we can put the adapter on. That's a GX001. It's got plenty of room for the variations. So let's boot this up. It detects EX001 on the Magic chip. I do have a Mega Magic for the 7000 series coming. That should look pretty good. Let's read the chip that's in there. I'm going to read. I will verify. I will erase. I will program. I will verify. Everything is working as it should with those connectors. So I will do a following update when I get the Mega Magic for the 7500 in and assembled. I will be making multiple rings. See, it has enough force to pull that out, so that's why we need the ring, so that it will hold it in. But it has almost the same amount of force as this one. This comes out really easy. These are slightly different. I also have the receptacle, if you want to change them, but these are too tall, so these would stick up way further. But yeah, this works just fine. Cotty hair. You guys want to see Cotty? There she is. She just likes her pets. Get a paw rub, huh? Okay. That update's done. We'll catch y'all later.